Welcome to this video on deconstructing the refrigerator warranty. We will explore the technical aspects of consumer law and how it relates to appliance coverage. Federal law establishes the baseline for appliance warranties. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act requires that written warranties for products costing over $10 be clearly labeled as either full or limited, based on whether they meet federal minimum standards. Beyond written warranties, there is an implied warranty of merchantability. This is an automatic, unwritten promise that an appliance is fit for its basic purpose, such as a refrigerator keeping food cold. Manufacturers cannot disclaim this implied warranty if they provide a written warranty or service contract. Federal law also bans tie-in sales. A manufacturer cannot void your warranty for using generic parts or accessories unless they provide those specific items for free. This protects consumer choice in maintenance and repair. Most new appliances come with a standard factory warranty that lasts for 1 year. This baseline coverage protects you against defects in materials and workmanship, with the manufacturer covering both parts and labor costs. Some brands extend coverage beyond the first year for critical systems. For example, specific warranties may cover the sealed refrigeration system, which includes the compressor, evaporator, condenser, dryer, and tubing, for up to 5 years. Warranties often degrade in phases over time. As shown in this example, full coverage may last for the first year, followed by limited coverage on specific systems like the sealed refrigeration unit and potentially limited lifetime coverage on minor components. Manufacturers often vary warranty terms by product line. Some items may have longer warranties, but these are sometimes conditional, requiring the consumer to pay for regular preventative maintenance to keep the warranty valid. Understanding the risk of repair is essential. Statistics show a significant percentage of refrigerators require repairs within the first 5 years. Extended warranties, which typically cost 10% to 20% of the appliance price, are designed to cover these potential mechanical or electrical failures. This matrix compares 3 coverage models: standard warranties for factory defects, extended warranties for mechanical breakdowns, and separate plans for accidental damage, which covers sudden physical events. It is important to note strict exclusions. Standard and extended warranties generally do not cover normal wear and tear, improper installation, environmental damage, or issues arising from commercial use. To maintain warranty validity, consumers must comply with manufacturer requirements. This includes professional installation, using authorized parts, performing regular maintenance like cleaning coils, and retaining all original purchase documentation. In summary, a warranty acts as a two-way contract. The manufacturer promises to cover specific defects, while the consumer assumes the obligation of proper installation, authorized maintenance, and keeping precise records. Ultimately, the anatomy of appliance protection relies on the balance between federal law, manufacturer terms, and consumer responsibility. All 3 parts must work together to ensure your coverage functions successfully.